Hi guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to buy Baby Dogecoin on Trust Wallet. So this is my Trust Wallet. If you don't have a Trust Wallet, you can download it from your Play Store or App Store, depending on the device that you're using. So I downloaded mine from my Play Store. So the next thing you have to do is to launch it this way. Then for you to be able to buy your Baby Dogecoin on your Play Store, on your Trust Wallet, this is what you have to do. Tap on buy. So now you have to look for Baby Dutch. You cannot get Baby Dutch here. What you have to do is type in Dutch. So you can see that we have Dutch here. So now you write the amount of Dutch that you want to buy. Let me say I'm buying 250 Dutch. So let me write 200 Dutch. So now I wrote 200 Dutch, which is a minimum of which can be converted to 1,521 Dutch. $200 can be converted to 1,521 Dutch. Okay, so for me to buy this, I will just tap on buy with credit card if I'm buying with my credit card. Okay, then so now I'll enter my bank details. So can proceed by tapping on this, then enter my bank details for me to be able to buy the Baby Doge coin. So guys, you can see that I'll be paying with $200 and getting receiving 1,524.5 Doge. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and then do not forget to give me a thumbs up, and it will help this video very well. Thanks for watching.